Week starts April 29th.
Tornado Week gets sucked in. The science,
The counterclockwise rotation.
the stories,
Look at the spiral, man!
and a front seat view for Tornado Hunt 13. Tornado Week begins Monday, April 29th on the Weather Channel.
A winter storm warning is in effect for our area. Currently in our area, 33 degrees with snow. Here's our local Doppler radar. Overnight, snow heavy at times, low 30, 2 to 4 inches of snow expected. For Tuesday, becoming partly cloudy later with any flurries or snow showers ending by noontime, high 41. And Tuesday night, a few clouds early but generally clear, low 25. Our 7-day outlook.
You know,